Top dog, bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Oh my, yo my, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she reppin' the back go. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. I step up in the smoke, just a swank in my hand. Trick, quit talking, crip, won't get you down with the set. Take a bullet, put some grip and take the smoke on the jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you be relieving your stress. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Da 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 da, you know I'm mobbing with the D-R-E.
Yeah, 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 you know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So put something in the air then, put it in the air.
Hold up, wait, woman, so we thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait, woman, so we acting too bold. Take a seat, hope you ready for the next episode. Hey.